Take a look at these pages. They have lots of followers and even more likes and amazing views. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, what do they post to be able to grow and see numbers like this, right? Here, take a look for yourself.
Did you know that San Francisco, famous for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, is a bustling Californian city with a current population of over 870,000 that evolved from a small Spanish mission settlement into a major global hub? Founded in 1776, the city was named after Saint Francis of Assisi. Its growth accelerated during the California Gold Rush of 1849.
What their content consists of is talking about history, geology, or just map facts. Obviously, the people of TikTok don't want to just watch a boring video about a history lecture. They want to be entertained. These guys solved that. They use Google Earth Studios to make a simple animation showing off the city or town or whatever that they're talking about from many different angles. Kind of like a drone shot. But not only that, it has a full wide view of an entire city or even a country if that's what the topic is. This is easily achieved with any computer and internet connection. So if you have those two things, you're set to be able to grow a page like this. First, I want to mention the advantages of this niche if you were to start. First of all, it's a simple concept. You don't have to use 120% of your brain power to do this. Basically, talk about the facts or history of a town or city. Secondly, there's very little competition. When people see this, they think it's a niche that is too complicated to replicate because of the fancy animations. But after you watch this video, you'll be a master at making these types of videos. And you'll be one of the few who can pull it off. Alright, now that I convinced you, we can start. So obviously, we need a town or place to talk about. I made a prompt you can use in Gemini. It's in the description. Just paste it in, then take what you got into Google Docs. Edit the passage a little bit and throw it into 11 Labs. Paste it in and generate a voice. Then download it. For the next step, you need to sign up to Google Earth Studio. It's really simple, but it will take a few days to get accepted. And it took me about 2. Don't worry, it's almost guaranteed that you're going to be accepted. It's just a matter of time. In the meantime, keep watching so you know what you're looking at when you open up the editing station, so you're not all confused. First, go to Google Earth Studios, the website, and start by making a new project. And however long the audio is that you got from 11 Labs is how long the duration should be. Make sure the resolution is 1920 by 1080, so it's a vertical aspect ratio. So it looks like we're viewing it from our phone because, you know, it's TikTok. We have our globe here. Now zoom in anywhere and click this button. It will create a keyframe for every movable property. Then go ahead 3 seconds and search for the town in the top left. You have now successfully created a little animation. You can even go ahead a few frames and turn the camera into different angles, giving you this drone effect. I repeated this step for different parts of the location, and once you're done, you can export it into a video. There is going to be a watermark, but no one cares, so you shouldn't either. Get everything you just made and import it into CapCut. From here, we could just simply add some subtitles, add a few images that help illustrate the script, and add some copyright-free music because I'm on YouTube. And you're done. That's it.
Did you know Marrakech, Morocco was once a center of caravan trade across the Sahara Desert? Founded in 1062, it earned the nickname the Red City for its rose-colored buildings made from local clay.